Culturally and historically, eggs have been incorporated in human nutrition for thousands of years. We don't want to give up the foods we grew up enjoying, but no single protein or even mixes of them truly mimic the quality of eggs, until now.
We are analyzing thousands of proteins in order to create this formula who mimics the egg behavior.
Our team of food scientists and engineers have cracked the egg code. Using cutting-edge technology and collecting data samples from countless plant proteins to analyze their functionality, we have discovered a proprietary blend of plant proteins that behaves like an ordinary egg in functionality, taste, and texture. Zero Egg products can do nearly anything an egg can do, from the classic fluffy breakfast scramble to light and airy baked goods, all the way to succulent sauces, all without having to sacrifice on one's beliefs.